When do child abduction laws apply in court? Have you ever wondered when child abduction laws come into play in a courtroom? This topic is essential for understanding how parental rights and duties are protected. Child abduction laws are activated when there is a dispute about the wrongful removal, retention, or concealment of a child. This often happens when one parent violates the lawful custody or visitation rights of the other parent. These laws are designed to prevent or address situations where a child is taken or kept away without legal permission. This can occur within the same state, across state lines, or even internationally. In family law, courts apply these laws under specific circumstances. First, if a parent moves or travels with a child without the other parent's consent or without court approval, child abduction laws may apply. This is especially true if the move is outside the county, state, or country. Courts can issue orders to restrict such moves to prevent risks of abduction. Second, if there is evidence or a credible risk that a parent has previously taken, hidden, or threatened to take or hide the child, the court will take this seriously. They consider these factors when deciding whether to impose preventive measures. Third, if a parent unlawfully retains a child in a foreign country or removes the child internationally, this can trigger federal laws. An example is the International Parental Kidnapping Crime Act, which addresses these serious situations. Fourth, if a custody or visitation order is in place and one parent violates it by withholding or concealing the child, the court can enforce child abduction laws. This helps recover the child and impose penalties on the violating parent. Courts assess the risk of abduction based on various factors. They look at prior abduction attempts or threats, the parent's ties to the jurisdiction, and any obstacles to locating and recovering the child. They also consider potential harm to the child if an abduction occurs. Based on this assessment, courts can impose different orders. These may include supervised visitation, travel restrictions, or requiring the surrender of the child's passport. In some cases, law enforcement may be involved to enforce these orders. In practice, family courts can issue orders to prevent abduction, enforce custody rights, and facilitate the recovery of abducted children. Law enforcement and district attorneys often assist in locating and returning children. When abduction happens across state lines or internationally, courts may work under federal statutes and international treaties, such as the Hague Convention, to resolve the matter. In summary, child abduction laws apply in court whenever a child's custody or visitation rights are violated through unlawful removal or retention. The court must intervene to protect the child's welfare and uphold parental rights. Understanding these laws is vital for any parent navigating custody issues.